Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to play the game Matching Faces again with our solid 3D shapes. First, let's review their names and some of their features. Say cylinder. A cylinder has two circle faces and a cylinder can roll and stack. That's stacking. Say cube. A cube has square faces and it has pointy corners or vertexes. It has straight edges and it has a square face. And it can stack. Say sphere. A sphere is like a ball and it can roll. Say pyramid. A pyramid has one point up on top and it has other points down here. So it's got some pointy corners and it has some straight edges. It has a square face and a triangular face. This cone can roll and it can sit flat on a table. It has a circle face and a point. Okay.
Attributes of 3D shapes. A cube is a 3D shape. The side of a 3D shape is called a face. On a cube, all of the faces are square. The place where two faces meet is called an edge. A cube has lots of edges. When three faces of a cube come together, they form a point or a corner. Mathematicians call this a vertex. A cube has lots of vertices. 3D shapes have faces, edges, and corners.
Try it. Drag each block to the footprint that matches that block.
This is Unit 514. So you're just going to take your shape and drag it to the face. You're dragging your solid to the flat 2D, your 3D to the 2D triangle shape. Just like that. It's a whole lot like matching faces. This is matching geoblock faces.
Matching geoblock faces. This block is a cube. A cube is a kind of 3D shape. The side of a 3D shape is called a face. Kyle and I are playing matching faces. The face of this block is a square. I'm looking for another block that has a square face. I think this block has a matching square face. The faces of these blocks match. Mary noticed that this block has a rectangle face and that this block has a rectangle face that's the same size. The faces of these blocks match. These blocks have matching faces.
Try it. Look at the outlined face of these 3D shapes. Drag shapes with matching faces into the workspace.
So I'm going to take the cone because the cone has a circle face and so does the hemisphere. A hemisphere is the sphere, but just half of it, just like you cut a sphere in half. Then you have these two cubes. They have the same face. And you have these two. You're dragging them in that have the same features. And then you're discussing them, talking about the pointy corners, the straight edges, the flat faces, or the curves. So now I would like for you to take your GeoBlocks or the solid shapes around your house and try to find matching faces, just like you did yesterday, and discuss the attributes. I want to hear you say things like pointy corners, straight edges, and flat faces. All right, have fun.